Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have this DIY for a flower chandelier using some Dollar Tree items, and I'm so excited today to have this collab video with Carolyn. She is a Harry Potter obsessed DIYer that makes organizational and room transformation videos. In her video, she'll show you how to create your own wire flower Minnie Mouse ears right from your home. They are so cute. You don't want to miss her video, so make sure that you head over to her channel and check out her awesome tutorial. So for this DIY, we're going to need this wire wreath that you can find at the Dollar Tree. These leis that you can find at the Dollar Tree during the summer. I try to pick the ones with the bigger flowers, and some have some beads, so keep an eye out for those. I think they're super cute. So for this DIY, I used about 12 of these leis. So what you want to do, you want to cut it in half. You're going to glue the ends so that the flowers don't fall off of the string. And some flowers might fall, so that's okay. You can save them in case you need to fill up some gaps. So this wreath is divided into sections. What I'm going to do, I'm going to start in this section right here, and that's where I'm going to tie a knot in this first string of flowers. And I'll be using the purple flowers first, and then I'll start adding the pink ones, so it'll be alternating each color. And I'm adding this into the middle section of the wreath. And I'm doing a double knot, and make sure you hot glue a little bit so that it won't fall. So you'll repeat the steps for all the string of flowers that you have. The more strings that you have, the fuller it's gonna look. So just pick your colors, make your design. Some have beads, some have different colors, some even have an iridescent look. So they have a lot of different styles, so make sure you pick the one that matches your decor or the style you want to go for. So this is how it looks when you alternate the colors. And this one here has the beads, so I'm going to repeat the same steps, just cut it in half. And I'm going to be doing some strands a little bit longer, some shorter, so that they all don't look the same. So again, you're just going to repeat all the steps of adding the hot glue at the end. For these are more like butterflies instead of flowers. So what I did, I just added some hot glue and added that to the top instead of tying a knot, which I found it was a lot easier. And this is the other iridescent one that I found. I loved this one. They only had one left, so I just grabbed this one, and I'll be adding this to give it a little bit more color. And now to try to cover the wire here, we're gonna add one of the strands at the top just by hot gluing it all around. Just make sure not to burn yourself. And if you want to check out my other Dollar Tree DIY videos, I'll leave them in the description box below so that you can check them out. I absolutely love the way it turned out. If you want it fuller, you can always add more, but I think the combination of the colors was just absolutely perfect. Now I'm going to be adding these silver wire LED lights that you can find at Dollar Tree as well. So I'm just going to wrap them around the top. I'm going to try to focus the lights being on the outer rim so that you can see them. And then I'll be adding some tape to where the batteries are. And of course this lighting is temporary since the batteries are not going to last forever, but for the purpose of this video I'll be using these. And now I'm going to be adding this clear string that I found at Hobby Lobby. I'll be adding 4 strings. I did about 18 inches long so that I could have room if I want to cut it, make it longer or shorter. So I'm just going to do some double knots and add a little bit of hot glue. So you can pick wherever you want your strings to go, just make sure they're kind of even so that it doesn't go off balance. And this is the finished product. At the top you can see the 4 strings, and then I just added a longer string at the very top so I can hang it. I really like the way it turned out. I love the combination of the colors, and since my daughter's room is pink and purple, it was a perfect combination. The little lights gives it a little bit of a fairy kind of style, which she loves, and it also looks super cute at night when it's all dark, or even when the lamp is the only thing that's on. I think it looks really cute. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you came from Carolyn's channel, please leave me a comment down below. And if you haven't watched her video, I'll leave her link in the description box below so that you can check it out. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I would love for you to join this community. I upload videos once a week. Thanks for your support. I'll see you next time. Bye.